Background and history. Introduction to AI in law enforcement. The integration of AI in law enforcement practices involves leveraging artificial intelligence technologies to enhance surveillance, crime prediction, and public safety initiatives. Historical context. Throughout history, surveillance and policing technologies have evolved in response to societal needs and advancements in technology, ranging from early forms of surveillance like Watchmen to modern-day CCTV cameras and data analytics tools. Early AI applications. Early AI applications in criminal justice and public safety focused on basic analytics and data processing tasks, gradually evolving to more sophisticated systems capable of analyzing large volumes of data for pattern recognition and anomaly detection. Role of AI. AI plays a crucial role in enhancing surveillance capabilities and crime prediction algorithms by automating data analysis, identifying patterns of criminal behavior, and providing law enforcement agencies with actionable insights to prevent and investigate crime. Balancing security and civil liberties. It's important to balance security needs with respect for civil liberties, ensuring that AI-driven law enforcement practices adhere to legal and ethical standards while safeguarding individuals' privacy and rights. Historical impact. AI's impact on law enforcement. AI has had a significant impact on law enforcement and crime prevention by revolutionizing how data is collected, analyzed, and utilized to identify criminal activity, allocate resources, and improve public safety. Landmark projects. Landmark projects and initiatives leveraging AI in policing, such as the development of predictive policing algorithms and real-time crime mapping systems, have demonstrated the effectiveness of AI-driven technologies in enhancing law enforcement capabilities. Societal and ethical implications. The proliferation of AI-driven surveillance and predictive policing technologies has raised societal and ethical concerns regarding privacy rights, discrimination, and the potential for misuse or abuse of power by law enforcement agencies. Evolution of law enforcement strategies. Insights from AI advancements have influenced the evolution of law enforcement strategies and tactics, leading to more proactive and data-driven approaches to crime prevention, community policing, and public safety initiatives. Influence of historical events. Historical events and policy decisions, such as the 9/11 attacks and subsequent anti-terrorism efforts, have shaped the development and deployment of AI-enabled law enforcement technologies in response to emerging security threats and challenges. Historical milestones. Key milestones. Key milestones in the history of AI's applications in law enforcement include the introduction of influential surveillance systems, predictive policing algorithms, and biometric identification technologies. Influential technologies. Influential technologies such as facial recognition, license plate recognition, and biometric identification have transformed how law enforcement agencies gather and analyze data for investigative purposes and public safety initiatives. Landmark deployments. Landmark deployments of AI technologies for crime analysis and detection, such as the implementation of real-time crime mapping systems and predictive analytics tools, have demonstrated the potential of AI to enhance law enforcement capabilities and reduce crime rates. Development of AI-powered tools. The development of AI-powered tools for facial recognition, license plate recognition, and biometric identification has enabled law enforcement agencies to identify and apprehend suspects more efficiently while enhancing public safety and security. Role of stakeholders. Law enforcement agencies, technology vendors, and researchers have played a crucial role in advancing AI for public safety through collaborative efforts, joint research initiatives, and technology development programs aimed at improving law enforcement capabilities. Technological advancements. Enhanced surveillance. Advancements in AI technologies have enhanced surveillance capabilities by enabling real-time monitoring, analysis, and interpretation of vast amounts of data from various sources, including CCTV cameras, social media platforms, and sensor networks. Impact of machine learning. Machine learning algorithms have had a significant impact on law enforcement operations by improving data analysis techniques, identifying crime patterns, and predicting future criminal activity based on historical data. Integration of AI systems. The integration of AI-driven systems for real-time crime mapping, hotspot analysis, and risk assessment has enabled law enforcement agencies to allocate resources effectively and respond proactively to emerging threats and criminal activity. Predictive policing. The development of predictive models for identifying crime patterns and allocating resources has revolutionized law enforcement strategies, enabling agencies to prioritize areas with higher crime rates and prevent criminal activity before it occurs. Addressing global challenges. Opportunities for leveraging AI in addressing global challenges such as terrorism, organized crime, and cyber threats involve developing innovative solutions for detecting, preventing, and mitigating various forms of criminal activity in an increasingly interconnected world. Challenges and risks. Ethical and legal challenges. Ethical and legal challenges associated with AI's role in law enforcement include concerns about algorithmic bias, discrimination, and privacy violations, as well as the need for transparency, accountability, and oversight in the use of AI by law enforcement agencies. Algorithmic bias. Risks of algorithmic bias in predictive policing systems raise concerns about the potential for discriminatory outcomes and unfair treatment of individuals based on factors such as race, ethnicity, or socioeconomic status. Misuse of surveillance technologies. Concerns about the misuse of AI-driven surveillance technologies for mass surveillance and social control highlight the importance of establishing clear guidelines and safeguards to prevent abuse of power and protect individuals' privacy rights. Transparency and accountability. Challenges in ensuring transparency, accountability, and oversight in the use of AI by law enforcement agencies involve establishing clear policies, procedures, and mechanisms for auditing AI algorithms and decision-making processes to mitigate potential risks and biases. Community trust and legitimacy. Perspectives on the impact of AI on community trust, police legitimacy, and public perception of law enforcement practices underscore the importance of fostering positive relationships between law enforcement agencies and the communities they serve through transparent and accountable policing practices. Future prospects. Future of AI in law enforcement. The future of AI in law enforcement and public safety holds promise for advancing transparency, fairness, and accountability through the development and deployment of responsible AI-driven technologies and practices. Emerging trends. Emerging trends and technologies shaping the future of AI in policing include the integration of AI with community policing and crime prevention strategies, as well as the adoption of AI-powered tools for enhancing transparency and public engagement in law enforcement. Opportunities for collaboration. Opportunities for international cooperation and collaboration in using AI for law enforcement involve sharing best practices, exchanging data, and coordinating efforts to address common challenges and threats in an increasingly interconnected and globalized world. Challenges and opportunities. Challenges and opportunities in integrating AI with community policing and crime prevention strategies involve engaging diverse stakeholders, including law enforcement agencies, community leaders, civil society organizations, and technology providers, in collaborative efforts to develop and implement ethical and effective AI-driven solutions. Importance of ethical frameworks. The importance of ethical frameworks, regulatory mechanisms, and public engagement in guiding the responsible use of AI in law enforcement underscores the need for proactive measures to ensure that AI technologies serve the public interest while upholding fundamental rights and values.